the sailboat. Peter, James, and John in the sailboat. Out on the rolling sea. And then won't to be my darling. Then they can't.
What did they do? They fished?
Out I better catch no fishes. This stone I better catch no fishes. This stone I better catch no fishes. Out on the rolling sea. What can I say?
Get your bike.
Power, finish.
Okay, but first what happened? Jesus came. Along came
Jesus walking on the seashore. Along came Jesus walking on the seashore.
And he said, throw your net.
To the other side. Throw your nets 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 to the other side.
And then they pulled in all the fishes.
Pull fishes. Pull fishes. Out on the rolling sea.
Good job, Ella.